You are enjoying your family on a weekend, on a Saturday morning, and you receive an email. And even although you know that it's your private time, that it's your family time, that it's your rest time, you still feel that you are obliged to reply.
Parliament wants workers' free time to be protected from work-related calls, messages or emails. MEPs are calling on the Commission to draw up rules regulating digital work tools and allowing employees to switch off when they're not on the clock. If the need for a right to disconnect without facing repercussions was already present, it's been underscored by the COVID-19 pandemic.
The timing is more right today because the prevalence of teleworking, the prevalence of smart working, flexi working is being felt more right now.
In 2020, more than 1 in 3 Europeans began working from home. That means the boundaries between professional and private life get blurry. People working from home often work longer and more irregular hours. Always being reachable can affect work-life balance and physical and mental health. Currently, no EU legislation explicitly states that Europeans have the right to disconnect without repercussion. MEPs want to put an end to the always-on culture and have switching off recognised as a fundamental right.